In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use 3 very powerful AI tools to effortlessly condense any content from whether it's text, video, or audio into bite-sized summaries, okay, into different kind of summaries. So get ready to save time and boost your productivity like never before. So the first platform that we have for today is called Vidrapid. Okay, with Vidrapid, you can be able to summarize. It's the best tool for video summarization. You can summarize your content directly. So to access Vidrapid, I've put in the link in the description. You can just click and it is just going to bring you over to this platform. Alternatively, you can go to Google and just search for Vidrapid. And you can just go to Google just like so and just search for Vidrapid just like so and just hit on enter. It will bring you over to this very platform, YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. Okay, it's an AI-based video summarization tool for YouTube. It quickly analyzes the video and provides concise summaries, saving you a lot of time and effort. Okay, so you can click on this to start. Alternatively, just click on the link in the description of this video and it will bring you over to this platform. And then you can just go ahead and add the extension to Chrome. Okay, you can click add extension. And right now it's been added to your Chrome. Okay, so you can see it over here. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go anywhere where you have a video in your channel. All right, so you can go to your YouTube and just come anywhere. You can refresh the page if you're interested. You can just refresh your YouTube page. And then you see it over here, summarize this video. You can just go ahead and click on the summarize this video and everything is going to be summarized in a matter of seconds. All right, so you can see right now we have the complete summary. This video discusses Pinterest marketing strategy, emphasizing the importance of using Pinterest as a search engine rather than a social media platform. So you can see we have the timestamps to the video as well. You can see all the timestamps needed. So if you go to anywhere and click, you're going to listen to that video directly from that timestamp. So for example, if I click on this, it's just going to take me directly to that point.
It's just the strategy that I'm showing you. I just want to put...
Yeah, so it just takes me to exactly that point. If you go to 3 as well, it's going to take you to any of the timestamps that you have. Now, if you want a complete transcript of the video, you can click on this and you see the complete transcript of the whole video. You can copy this out if you're interested. In the case of the summary, you can decide to have Alex read it for you if you want, or if you want to change a reader, you can see different kind of readers over here that you can ask to read directly. Now, if you want Alex to read, you can just click.
The video discusses Pinterest marketing strategies, emphasizing the importance of using Pinterest as a search engine rather than a social media platform.
That's fantastic. Now, another way to have it without using the extension is you can come to the YouTube, the search bar, you can click, and then before the YouTube, you can just search for summary. Just write sum. Okay, if you put in sum and hit on enter, it's still going to give you the same summary. So this is another way to kind of access it. So you have to sign in. All right, continue with Google, and I want to continue with this account. So you can see right now, this is the video. This is it, and this is Pinterest marketing, and this is the summary that we are talking about. This is the timestamps. You can click and just listen to it directly. We have the access to the same script that we've just talked about. You can see this is the script that we are talking about. So you can paste in the link to any of the video that you want to summarize. This is the first tool. The next tool is called Any Summary. Okay, so Any Summary is very, very powerful. You can access it by just coming over to your browser and anywhere within the search bar and just type in Google, and then you can go ahead and put in any summary. Just search for any summary like this, and it's going to bring you over to this. Any Summary summarizes any file with AI, any kind of file. Okay, any file from text to audio and so on. Or you can come to any summary.app. And it will bring you over to the same platform. Summarize any file with AI. So you can see the file formats that you can summarize directly with this AI, from PDF to docs to JPEG to PNG to MOV, which is a video, PPTX, MP3. You name it, any format that you have, you can be able to summarize directly. Or you can even summarize content from a URL directly, maybe a website what they're about. You can just paste in and it's just going to tell you what it is all about. Now let's start with something simple, a PDF. Let's import a PDF and let's ask it to summarize the content for us. So let's say we have this event 752 on spillways, and just click on enter. Right now it is uploading your document, and with this, in a matter of seconds it will upload and it will give you the summary. All right, so you can see right now it is giving you the summary. Now there are different formats to the summary that you can generate. You have the bullet points, which is what you have here. You can see it has given you the summary in bulleted points from what is exactly in the document. Now you can copy this to somewhere, or you can download directly as a text.txt or as a Word file or as a PDF. That's one part of it that I kind of like very well. And then you can share directly if you're interested in sharing. Now this is bulleted points. If you want, you can change the language of the summary, or you can do custom summary, which is sometimes very nice in case if you want to chat with the chatbot about that particular document that you've just uploaded. So you can do custom summary, and you can summarize the key facts in this document in one paragraph. You can just ask it something like this, and you can just go ahead and say, you just hit on enter. All right, so you can see right now it is giving you the document discusses factors affecting spillway performance, including reservoir inflow patterns, storage capacity, dam height and type, and so much more. So you can see it has given you a direct fact, summarized fact about this. If you want to chat with the chatbot about the content, you can as well do that if you're interested. Or if you want detailed summary of the content, you can as well have it, or you can create a tweet out of it, or you can create a song out of it as well. So it's very easy to use any summary. So just go ahead, try any of your content, be it a video, be it a text, be it anything, and it's going to surprise you with a wonderful result. So this is the second tool that we want to talk about. The third one, which is the last one, is called the Gravity Write. Okay, so you can access Gravity Write by just coming to your browser and just type in gravitywrite.com. Okay, just hit on gravitywrite.com, and it's going to bring you over to this very platform to supercharge your content creation with AI. You can create blogs, copy emails, social media posts, images, and more. So much more. You can just go ahead and log in. All right, so once you log in, if you don't have an account, you can create an account. It's very easy and free to create. You can have different kind of things. Gravity Write is equipped with different kind of content. Okay, you can see them from here listed. Anything that you're interested, you have so much. Okay, if you click on this, you see there's blog flow. You can see blog outline, blog content. You can generate this for you. YouTube tools, you have about 11 tools. YouTube intro, script creator, all-in-one YouTube content, YouTube idea and content creation, title and thumbnail ideas, YouTube script creator. You can see so many of them. Okay, but for today, you see out of all of these features, you can just go ahead, because our target is summary. You have three types of summary. We have Summarize Pro, we have Book Summarizer, and so on. So let's say we want to summarize a book, so we can just click on Book Summarizer, and we can have the book summarizer over here. So what it needs to ask you is, you can tell it about the book that you want to summarize. For example, I want to say Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Okay, so you can select what kind of summary you are interested in. Is it a brief overview, or chapter summary, or deep concept summary? So I just want a brief overview, and once I click on generate content, you can see Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon is a help that outlines key principles of achieving personal and financial goals. Okay, you can see how perfect financial success. The book is centered around Hill's belief that thoughts are powerful and serve as the foundation for achieving one's goal. Okay, so you have to be very careful with how you think and what you think. So this is a complete summary. You have all of these text editing features. If you're interested to use them, you can use them however you want them. And if you want to summarize a website also, you can do that as well if you're interested, or anything that you're interested. Okay, so these are AI tools that can actually help you to summarize things from, you name it. You can summarize them directly, so you can have a concise thing to read or to assimilate for yourself. So I think this concludes this tutorial about AI tools that can help you summarize anything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to keep enjoying videos like this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.